How to turn website into a mobile app in less than a minute. So let's see how to convert in this video. First step, we need to install native alpha app in the phone. We need to open Play Store and search for native alpha and install the app in our phone. And done installing the native alpha app. Step 2, turn the website into a mobile app with native alpha app. We need to open a native alpha app. And in this screen, we need to click the plus icon on the screen. And here, in this field, we need to add our website URL link. And enable this shortcut on home screen, and continue with the process. We can edit the title of the app, if needed in the title field. And we can change the display icon by adding the app image from our phone library, if required. And continue with the process. And done converting and installing the app shortcut on our phone. Here it is, our new website, converted into an app. We can click open and use the website app like any other app. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.